Here's Allison. She's a student at EMLYON Business School. She's actively looking for an internship. Just now, she received a call from a potential employer. And I think you can guess why she's so thrilled. At EMLYON Business School, many of you join us as international students and share a common concern: not being able to find an internship or a job. Meet Taryn, Lila, Alex, and Allison. Each of them benefited from the support provided by EMLYON's Care Center. Let's dive into the school's department with Julie.
EMLYON's Care Center is here to help students find their right place in the job market, thanks to a full range of services and resources. This is a unique offer that makes EMLYON the second best business school in France in terms of employability.
Taryn is an Indian student. He is currently doing his internship with Danone. He found this position on the Care Center's job board. Recruiters post their job offers on this online platform. Students can access these offers free of charge, helping them discover job opportunities matching their aspirations and skills. Lila's situation was somewhat different. She was nervous about interviewing for a job in English. In addition to group workshops and webinars, Lila enjoyed individual coaching sessions provided by the Care Center. She was able to prepare for the interview and learn to negotiate her salary. Her coach gave her advice, which helped her land an internship at an international company. Here's Alex, a foreign student. He's talking to Juliet, an EMLYON graduate. They're in the middle of a mentoring session, and she's helping him with his job search in France. The EMLYON Alumni Network is a major asset for students. It gives them exclusive access to a vast community of influential professionals in various industries around the world. One more aspect of the Care Center services, the career events. Around 60 events are organized each year, both on campus and online. These include recruitment forums with companies, industry-specific conferences, and job dating events. Students have the opportunity to learn more about the job markets and connect directly with employers. The Care Center gives students all the keys to successfully start their professional journey.